presented product is a new version 50mm Raster foam tray which can be used to customize the storage space for miniatures of a regular shape or with bits that stand out of miniatures.
Oh, there's a problem with the shape, with the shape of the scissors, yeah? Yeah.
You can try.
So
You can try.
So try to put inside this raster foam.
So it looks. This is raster foam. New idea for customized
storage place.
Yes, for customized storage place. Could you try put inside? Any problems?
No.
Oh, come on.
Big problem.
Okay. Try this, okay? Try this. Oh, come on.
Okay. Get out of here.
Try this.
Okay, and here we got another product which is called KYOTO tool foam. It's more accurate. Has a lot more density. And in short video we will show you how to cut and customize your storage place in sort of a new way. And so let's get started.
Yeah, that's right.
First of all, we need to draw the shape that we're about to cut.
The shape in every details.
Exactly. We need to focus to place every detail. It's gonna be a crucial when we're gonna cut our shape. So in very short, limited time, this is my effects. Now we need to just take a very small knife and cut the shape.
The presented product is a new version 50mm cluster KYOTO
Just like that.
foam tray which can be used to customize the storage space for miniatures
We're
of a
cutting
regular shape or with bits that
the
stand
shape.
out of miniatures.
The more time you're gonna spend cutting the shape, the better effect you're gonna gain in the end. So I can assure you that you might have a slightly better effect than me, because as far as you see, I'm doing it very quickly.
It's cutting like a bread, yeah?
Very easily. And then we have to peel a layer.
You are a liar?
Of course not a layer, a layer. And what we gain is always a flat surface. Flat surface and very accurate shape.
Looks very good.
Of course you can
And I think
cut it deeper to get better effects. You have 5 layers of 10 millimeters thickness, so you can adjust the shape and the deepness as you want it to.
great.
Thank you very much.